Question 1. Nobody will speak the answer loudly. Everybody will solve it and write in the chat box. What happened, Yash? You joined late?
चल नहीं रहा था.
Okay. Yes, so we are doing practice problems of electricity. Now you can start solving. Okay, first of all, solve these two questions, then I am giving more problems. It is. You have sent the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just now you have sent. No, it is not correct. Yes, yes, Nirviksha, it's not correct. Okay. Yes, Harini, your second one is correct now. So I am displaying the, okay, still some are sending. Hardik, what is this? I'm not getting. Ohms में आ रहा है answer. Ohms तो है ही नहीं है. Okay. Potential difference पूछा है. Okay, so coming to the question. Those who are getting, it's okay. Those who are not getting, no need to worry. I'm explaining here. So this was the question. It was 2 ohm. It was 4 ohm. This is the direct current. It was given 2 volt. Okay. Now, one thing we can observe here is 2 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. Both the resistances are in series. Okay. So, yes, coming first part is also correct. If this both are in series, so same current will flow through them. In series current remains same, तो 2 ohm और 4 ohm से same current flow होगा. अब हमको 2 ohm के across potential difference दे रखा है. We are given potential difference across 2 ohm. Okay. So I can find current through 2 ohm. Because I know potential difference across 2 ohm. I know resistance across 2 ohm. So I can find the current through 2 ohm. It will be 2. I equals to V by R. That is equal to 2 upon 2. So it is 1 ampere. So current I is 1 ampere. This 1 ampere is flowing through 2 ohm also and 4 ohm also. So potential difference across 4 ohm will be potential difference equals to I into R. I is 1 ampere and R is 4. So it will be 4 volt. Okay. So first question, option B is correct answer. Now they are asking potential difference across the terminal of the battery. This potential difference will be potential difference across this plus potential difference across this. Okay. So, अब इसके across potential difference across 2 ohm is 2 volt. Potential difference across 4 ohm is 4 volt. So, potential difference of the battery will be potential difference of battery is equal to potential difference across 2 ohm plus potential difference across 4 ohm. So it will be 2 volt plus 4 volt. It will be 6 volt. Okay. So second question, D is the correct answer. Question 3. Okay, so this is anybody else?
Ma'am, please wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, I am waiting. I am solving it now. No need to worry. Those who are not getting, still we have lot of time. We can practice. Okay, so see, this was the question. Okay, so this was 2 ohm, this was 2 ohm, then this was 3 ohm, this was 3 ohm, this was 3 ohm, this was 4 ohm, and this was 4 ohm. Okay, and we were given this terminal as A and B. Okay, now when two 2 ohm resistances are connected in parallel, okay, resultant will be, हमने एक पैरेलल का फॉर्मूला देखा था Rp इक्वल्स टू R बाय N. जब इक्वल वैल्यूज ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस होते हैं तो जो रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू है उसको नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस से डिवाइड कर दो, यू विल गेट द रिजल्टेंट पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस, दैट इज 1 ohm. तो इन दोनों का इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा? 1 ohm. Okay, so I am making a reduced circuit. This will be 1 ohm. Similarly, these 3 ohms are in parallel. So Rp equals to R by N, same formula. रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू क्या है? 3. कितने रेजिस्टेंस है? 3. तो 3 by 3 1. इनका भी इक्विवेलेंट होगा 1 ohm. जब दो 4 ohm के रेजिस्टेंस है, सेम फॉर्मूला Rp इक्वल्स टू R by N. R की वैल्यू है 4 और कितने रेजिस्टेंस है? 2. तो इनका इक्विवेलेंट होगा 2 ohm. Okay, and we are given this way the potential difference of 3 volt. Okay, we have to find the current. As this all are in series, current will be same. current in the circuit हमको बोला है, मतलब हमको ये current find करना है I. ठीक है, अब total, अब ये this 3 resistances are in series, so total resistance due to them will be, they've added up, so it will be 4 ohm resistance. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 2, so it is 4 ohm, and potential difference is 3 volt. Okay, so current I will be equal to V upon R. V is 3 and R is 4, so it is 0.75 amperes. So first part is 0.75 amperes. Second, we have to find potential difference across A and B. A and B का across resistance कितना है? 1 ohm. इनका जो equivalent resistance है वो है 1 ohm. So actually this is A and this is B. If I have to find potential difference across this point, so what I'll do? Current into resistance. So potential difference across AB equals to I into R. I is 0.75 and R is 1 ohm. So it is 0.75 volts. Okay. So answer for question 3 is part D, and answer for question 4 is part A. Okay. So answer, this one is part D and this one is part A. Okay. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Avni, is it clear? Avni?
Yes.
Anybody any doubt, please ask. If anybody is having any doubt,